Hey guys, welcome back. This week I got a fun project for you. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to take an old, outdated wall, just like this one here, and turn it into a great looking feature wall using this new 3D teak paneling from Mitri. So let's get right into it. Alright, so this 3D Teak is a very cool new product from Mitri. It makes it super easy to DIY a great looking feature wall. Now it comes pre-assembled in small sheets that fit into one another like a puzzle for a very seamless look. Ideally, you're going to want to have a miter saw handy to cut a straight edge on the pieces that will be on each end of the wall. But beyond that, there are actually very few tools you'll really need other than a brad nailer, some PL glue, a torpedo level, and a tape measure. Once you've got your first piece in the bottom corner, it's really just a matter of measuring, cutting, and installing each following piece to fit into the last. Now, it is important to make sure your first row is nice and level, so grab that torpedo level, check that, and make sure so that you don't run into issues when you reach the top. The other great thing about this stuff is that it's very lightweight, so you can apply it directly on your existing wall with just a bit of PL glue or construction adhesive. Personally, I don't like having to wait for the PL glue to start to tack, so I shoot a couple of brad nails in with my brad nailer to help hold the sheets in place so that I don't have to. Alright, so we're running out of daylight here. We're starting to get shadows, so we're almost halfway up the wall. I'm going to get these last two panels on and then call it a night, and we'll continue again tomorrow. So let's get these two on. Let's put some construction adhesive on there, get them on. Why am I so excited? Probably because it's the end of the day and I can go relax a bit. Come on, let's finish this. That's it. Let's call it a night. Maybe I'll go take a dip in the lake. Let's get back at this tomorrow. All right, we had a good night's rest. Beautiful sunny morning out. Let's get this wall done today. The faster we get this done, the faster we can go out and enjoy the day. So let's do it. This is going to take no time. I already got my first piece measured up. Let's go out, cut it. Let's get this thing done. Alright, let's get that last full piece in there, and then we're just about done. We just have to trim out the last little small narrow section at the top there, and we'll be done. So let's get this piece in. Alright, this wall is just about done. All we've got left to deal with now is this tiny little strip here just below the beam that obviously we can't fit a full panel in. Now, realistically, this is up so high, we could either just paint this piece brown like the beam, nobody would be able to tell the difference, or even just leave it alone from down below, nobody would see it. But I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I've got a better way to deal with that. And I'll show you right now. Hang on, let me flip this around. I'll show you my solution to this. Okay, so here's my plan. I've already marked it. You can see I've drawn the line on. This is a scrap piece, an offcut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my jigsaw and I'm gonna cut these pieces off, and they'll fit right in there into that tiny little opening, and it'll be pretty much perfect. So let's go do that. Okay, we've got our little pieces here. Tiny bit of construction adhesive on the back because brad nails are probably not a good idea in such a thin piece. Let me just slide them on in here. All right, last little piece. Get that in there. Why did I leave a center piece for last? I don't know, your guess is as good as mine. I like to make things difficult. Get that in. We're done. And that's it. 3D teak wall. How much better does this look than what was there? You know what? I'm really happy with this stuff. So easy to install. Looks so much better. And it adds a nice feature wall to the cottage. Makes everything look nicer. That's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.